Hey guys, welcome back to Techness Arena, your core channel for all things tech. In today's video, we'll dive deeper into the world of data analysis using everyone's favorite spreadsheet tool, MS Excel. Whether you are a seasoned data analyst or just starting out, these Excel projects will enhance your skills and make you a data crunching pro. Here, I'll explain each and everything in detail, like what functions and topics will be useful for the projects, how to do it, and how it works. So grab your Excel sheets and let's get started. But before we do, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Techness Arena for more informative insights. Now, let's jump into the top 7 Excel projects for data analysis. Are you struggling to manage your finances effectively? Our first Excel project is the budget tracker. It's an excellent way to analyze your income, expenses, and savings effortlessly. Functions and topics. Some function for totaling income and expenses. Conditional formatting for visualizing budget categories. Charts for a comprehensive overview. How to do it? Create a table with columns like date, description, income, and expenses. Use sum and other relevant functions to calculate totals. Apply conditional formatting to highlight areas over or under budget. Generate charts to represent financial distribution. How it works? Easily track monthly expenses and income, visualize spending patterns through charts, make informed decisions for financial planning. For business enthusiasts, our second project is the Sales Analysis Dashboard. Uncover trends, identify top selling products, and make data driven decisions. Functions and topics. Pivot tables to summarize and analyze large datasets. VLOOKUP for matching product names and IDs. Spark lines for visualizing trends. How to do it? Import sales data into Excel. Create pivot tables to summarize sales by product or region. Use VLOOKUP to fetch product names. Implement spark lines to showcase sales trends. How it works? Gain insights into top performing products. Visualize sales trends at a glance. Make strategic decisions based on data analysis. Managing employee attendance can be a tedious work. Let Excel do the heavy lifting with our employee attendance tracker. Functions and topics. Date functions for tracking attendance. Date validation for error-free data entry. Conditional formatting for visualizing attendance patterns. How to do it? Create a table with columns like employee name, date, and attendance status. Use today and network days for automated date tracking. Apply data validation to prevent errors in attendance entries. Implement conditional formatting for easy visualization. How it works? Easily track employee attendance on a daily basis. Identify patterns and trends in attendance data. Streamline HR processes with accurate attendance records. Efficient inventory management is crucial for businesses. Excel can help you maintain stock levels and streamline the ordering process. Functions and topics. If statements for inventory alerts. Data validation for accurate data entry. Sum and count functions for inventory calculations. How to do it? Create a table with columns like product name, quantity, and reorder level. Use if statements to generate alerts for low stock. Apply data validation for accurate product entries. Utilize sum and count functions for inventory calculations. How it works? Receive alerts for low stock items. Track inventory levels and reorder products efficiently. Streamline the inventory management process. Project management made easy with our project task tracker. Keep tabs on tasks, deadlines, and team progress using Excel. Functions and topics. Gantt chart for visual project timelines. COUNTIF for task tracking and completion. Data validation for error-free task entries. How to do it? Create a table with columns like task name, deadline, assigned to, and status. Utilize Gantt chart features to visualize project timelines. Use COUNTIF to track completed tasks. Implement data validation for error-free task entries. How it works? Visualize project timelines for effective planning. Monitor task completion and team progress. Enhance project management with real-time data. For educators and students alike, our student grade tracker simplifies the process of monitoring academic performance. Functions and topics. Average and if functions for grade calculation. Data validation for accurate grade entries. Charts for visualizing student performance. How to do it? Create a table with columns like student name, subject, and grade. Use average and if functions to calculate overall grades. Apply data validation for accurate grade entries. Generate charts to visualize individual and class performance. How it works: easily track and calculate student rates, identify areas of improvements for individual students, visualize class performance for effective teaching strategies. In the age of digital marketing, understanding your social media analytics is key. A social media analytics dashboard in Excel makes it a breeze. Functions and topics. Some ifs for social media metrics analysis. Pivot charts for dynamic data representation. Conditional formatting for highlighting key matrices. How to do it? Import social media analytics data into Excel. Use some ifs for in-depth analysis for matrices like engagement, reach, and clicks. Create pivot charts for dynamic data representation. Apply conditional formatting to highlight key performance indicators. How it works: gain insights into social media performance, identify trends and areas for improvement, make informed decisions for social media strategy. And there you have it, guys, the top 7 Excel projects for data analysis. Whether you are managing finances, tracking inventory, or analyzing social media matrices, Excel is your powerful ally. That's all for today's video. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below and stay tuned for the next topic. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Techness Arena for more informative insights. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.